everyone, welcome back to another Quarantine video from Team 75. Today I'll be teaching you how to create your very own transforming ninja stars, just like the ones you see here. All you'll need to create the ninja stars are colorful post-it notes. I prefer having 4 different colors, and we're going to need 2 pages of each color. But if you don't have post-it notes at home, you can still make these ninja stars using normal printer paper like this. But all you have to do is make sure to cut it into a square set. So I'm going to start with my first color, the orange sticky note. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the sticky side of the post-it note, which is right here, it's facing you. And then what you want to do is fold the post-it note in half vertically, like this. And then unfold it so that it makes this line in the center. Then you want to fold it down in half, like that. So now you have 2 lines. And now you want to fold it in half diagonally both ways. And then unfold them. So now you'll see that there are different lines that are going through your post-it note, and we're going to use these lines later on as reference points to fold the paper. Now that you've folded your paper horizontally, vertically, and diagonally in half, now try to find the sticky side of the paper. So the sticky side of the post-it note's right over here for me. So I'm going to take this corner and fold it down to the center, to this middle point where all the lines are meeting in the center. So just like that. And then do the same thing to the other side. So now you have something that looks kind of like a house. So now you'll see triangle shape that's forming over here. And what you want to do is take your 2 fingers and pinch along this diagonal line right over here. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. So pinch them both in at the same time, like that. And then folding this part in half. So then you're going to have something like this. And then you take this back side and you fold this in half, like that. So now you have a parallelogram shaped piece that we'll be using to make the rest of the ninja star. So let's follow the steps one more time so that you get a better idea of how to do this process. So what we did first was we folded it in half. And then we unfolded it. And we folded it down in half. And we unfolded it. And we folded it diagonally in half. On both sides. And then we have 8 reference lines. Now we want to try to find the side that's sticky. So this is the sticky side on mine. And you want to take those 2 top corners and fold them into the center point where all these lines are meeting. So just like this. This. Then you see these diagonal lines that we made before. Using these lines, we're going to pinch them in like this. And pinch this front part in. And then we're left with this on the back side. So you're just going to take this and fold it in like that. So here's another parallelogram shape. So we have to make 8 of these. So you want to make 2 of each color, and once you've made 6 more of them, you want to have 8 parallelogram shapes in total. Once you've made all of them, then we're going to start assembling. Alright, so I went ahead and made 6 other pieces. So I've made 2 pieces per color, so we had 4 colors at the start. And now we're going to start assembling. So choose 2 of your colors, so I'll choose these first 2 colors. And you want to start with both pieces with one piece. You'll notice that one piece has this side that's open and one end that's closed. So you want to stick the side that's closed on one piece into the side that's open, like this. So I'm sticking it in like that, and you'll notice that there are these flaps that are hanging out, like this. So what you want to do is tuck in these flaps in here. So what I'm going to do is take this and fold it into these flaps right here. Like that, and then push it closed like this. So this is the first part. Then we're going to take another color. I'll take the blue, and then so this side has a part that's open, so I'll put in the closed end into this side like that, and then you'll notice that these flaps are hanging out again, so I'll push these flaps in like so. And we've linked the next one. So we're going to repeat this with all of the colors that we have next. Make sure to put it in some sort of pattern that you want, however you want it to be. And then when you're attaching the last piece, it's a little bit more difficult, so we'll discuss how that works. Alright, so now I'm on my last piece that I need to attach. This is the 8th piece. So I'm going to put it in between 2 flaps, fold the flaps down like this. And so we've made it to the last one. Now this side is open and this side's closed, so put this inside of here. And then you'll see that these flaps are still sticking out. So on top of here, you'll see that this orange piece that we used right here is dividing the 2. So you want to try to get this one flap into the side in between these 2 post-it notes. Like that. And then do the same with the other side. So we've pushed it in like this. And here is your completed Transforming Ninja Star. So we started out with these stars right here. You can see that this one looks just like this one. So you want to be a little gentle when you're playing with it at first, because all the pieces might not be put in too well. So this is how you start. And you slide it. And there you go. You've made your Transforming Ninja Stars. So I hope you all had a great time following along. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.